Hey everyone, it's me again, Patrick. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but I wanted to show you our previous storm. We had additional inches of snow. Sorry for the change in the blurriness, but as you can see, I've already started shoveling. And we got quite a bit of snow around here. It's like walking through a trench. As you can see, there's quite a bit of snow here. Those mounds are filled with brush and debris from all the trees that we got knocked down back end of July of 18 and August all the way up until October. But yeah, as you can see, there's a nice trench. And so yeah, that's basically my street. So yeah, this is what I deal with every time it snows heavily here, but thank goodness that it was only powdered snow. Now, onto the backyard. Sorry, it's deciding which way I wanted to go. I may be a little bit slow getting through all the snow, but bear with me. We're looking at a good couple inches of snow I'm walking through here. Man, it's just a madhouse. Now this is going all the way up right underneath my kneecap here. So, just gonna take a moment. So you see the picnic table way down there. That's all the snow basically that we got. Hasn't been touched. So as you can see, it's just crazy. Since I have you on film, hi everybody. I've been whipping. It's been a long time since I posted videos. I've been whipping up something special for you guys, and I've been rehearsing and practicing really hard, and I just at the right moment I'm gonna show you what I got in store, and it's just gonna blow your mind with what I could do. So my next video, you'll be watching me on the guitar upstairs in my house. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy my video. Thumbs up, subscribe. I love you guys. And yeah, that is our biggest snowstorm since 12 here. So peace out, love you guys. Talk to you later. Yeah, bye.